Okay, so this is my second portfolio assignment. It's about coaching styles, and it's by me, Matthew K. Shallow. The first thing, first one of my first uh, coaching styles, I'll be able to hold players accountable by directly confronting any failure or shortcomings. And I basically split it up into two sides: how it will help me in athletics, and then maybe how this will help my players in life. And this is why this is one of my coaching styles. It'll help players learn from mistakes in the athletic game. So, hopefully they wouldn't make the same mistake over and over again, which is what I said next. It would help limit in game mistakes. And then it teaches the players the importance of doing doing things right. As a athlete and in athletic events, it always comes down to you know doing the little things right, as if you're gonna win or not win. So by holding players accountable, it will help them understand that doing the little things right is important, and it will also emphasize that there are consequences to making the same mistake over and over again. Without accountability, or nobody saying anything when the player made a bad mistake in the game, then they would just keep doing it, and eventually it'll cause you to lose. In life, it helps them take responsibility for their life actions. It helps them become more disciplined. It teaches them hard work. Accountability will teach them hard work, and it teaches them how to compete. Even in life, you're gonna have to compete. Then I would another coaching style that I have is I would focus on the present and not the past or the future. As an athlete, it will help players to focus on what they're actually doing, and it will help the players to learn skills that they need to be successful, and it'll help with the small things. It will help them work on the small things, and focus on the process. In life, it will help them take steps to be successful in their lives. It will be effective when starting a family, or it'll be effective when starting a new job. And then I just put them both together, which I probably could have did for the rest of them. But help players grow personally. It will help them understand and learn how to work and communicate with others. It will help them understand that everything is a process. I got two coaching objectives. I want to enhance team building skills. This will create an environment where athletes work together to achieve goals. So we do different little activities and things of that sort to help improve a team. If you got a bunch of athletes but nobody likes each other or they don't know each other, well then it's not going to work. And then I would also improve leadership skills. This would create an environment where the coaches aren't the only ones preaching what is right. If you have players, a lot of times, they're going to listen to you, but if you have one of their peers repeating what you're saying, and the peer really believes what you're saying, then that can go a long way in creating a good environment. And then lines that I won't cross, I won't cross cheating. Uh, then I won't allow players to break team rules, because if you allow one person to do it, then everybody will do it. You have to create an environment of consistency where you enforce your rules consistently. This will help to build a strong team. And then I want to allow players or coaches to create a toxic environment for the team. So these rules go for players and coaches both. Our locker room, our team environment has to be one of positivity. If it's always something toxic going on, then we're gonna eventually have to weed that player out. I won't let coaches belittle players, and I won't let disrespect happen to teammates, coaches, parents, or officials. We will be a stand-up program where respect is modeled on a consistent basis. This is my whole presentation for this week. Hopefully I hit all points. Thank you, and have a blessed day.